Okay children, now the concept is medians and centroid of a triangle. For a triangle, what is called a median and what is called centroid, now you are going to learn. So this is the triangle I am drawing. Say this triangle, let us name after ABC. The triangle is named after ABC, where AB, BC and AC are three sides. Now here you identify midpoint of a side BC. So midpoint of BC, this is nothing but D. Let us denote as D. What is D here? D is nothing but exactly the midpoint of BC. For example, BC is 8 centimeters. Then BD how much it will be? 4 centimeters. CD also 4 centimeters. The point exactly equidistant from B and C is called midpoint. Okay. Now this midpoint you join with the opposite vertex. From the opposite vertex, if you draw a line segment to connect the midpoint of opposite side, whatever the line segment you get, that is called median. So this is called median. So median is nothing but what? Median is a line segment which joins vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. So how can we define a median as? So let me write the definition of median here. Median of a triangle is, median of a triangle is it is a line segment. It is the line segment joining, what the line segment joining? A vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. A vertex and midpoint of its opposite side. Its opposite side. So here, what is the midpoint of opposite side of A vertex? That is D. Okay, BC is the opposite side. D is the midpoint of BC. If you join A and D, AD line segment is said to be median. In that way, how many medians can be drawn for a triangle? So once again let me draw. So this is a triangle ABC. So D is the midpoint of BC. If you join AD is one word median. Similarly, the midpoint of AC also you identify. This midpoint you take as E, then E and B you join. That means you have got so far two medians. Similarly, the midpoint of AB, here you get, this you take as F. Then if you join C and F, you have got so far three medians. AD is the median drawn to BC side. Okay, B is the median drawn to AC side and CF is the median drawn to AB side. So obviously a triangle has how many median children? Three medians. Okay. So here, so what is AD? Median of BC. What is BE? Median of AC. What is CF? Median of AB respectively. Okay. Here AD comma B comma CF are medians of what are the triangles respectively? BC, AC and AB respectively. BC, AC and AB respectively. Then here one amazing thing you can observe, you can notify one amazing thing, one surprising thing. What is that? All the medians, they are passing through same point. You can observe here. This is the point of concurrence of the three medians. Why do we say point of concurrence? If two lines intersect, we say point of intersection. If three lines intersect at same point, we say point of concurrence. Here the three medians, they are meeting at same point. So this point is said to be point of concurrence of three medians. Then what is the special name of that point? It is called centroid. The centroid is nothing but point of concurrence of all three medians of a triangle. So here we can observe that the points. Now we can say centroid definition. Then later we will write the points. What is centroid? The point of concurrence of medians of a triangle. Medians of a triangle is called, what is it called? What is the name of that point of concurrence? Centroid. And it is denoted by G. Generally, centroid we denote by capital letter, that is G. So G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Okay. Okay children, we have seen what is median and what is a centroid. Then you will have a doubt whether in every type of triangle all the three medians are they concurrent or not. Okay. So let us take some types of triangles, say equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. What are the properties of centroid and medians? Let us check now. Okay. If you take an equilateral triangle, what is called equilateral triangle? A triangle with three equal sides, in which all the three sides are equal. So this is an equilateral triangle. This is, for example, 6 centimeters. This is also 6 centimeters. This is also 6 centimeters. So to denote that it is equilateral triangle, I have taken the length of side for an example. So here midpoint of BC, that is D, let me take here. So now BD 3 centimeters, CD also 3 centimeters. Let us join this. Now AD is called median according to median definition. Now the midpoint of AC, let me take here, that is point E. Now if we join B, B is the median of AC. Similarly, the midpoint of AB, let me take here, exactly you have to take a point which is equidistant from A as well as from B. Now what is the distance from F to A? 3 centimeters, F to B also 3 centimeters. So obviously CF is also median. Now they are concurrent. In any triangle children, whether it is equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle or scalene triangle or obtuse angle or acute angle or right triangle. In any triangle, all the three medians are equal. That also we will verify by using software. So here triangle ABC, a triangle, equilateral triangle where AD, BE, CF, they are three medians. Now they are concurrent. That means we checked that all the three medians they pass, they have one common point, that is G. Now if you observe the length of BE, AD and CF, you will get surprised that all the three medians you will get equal. That means the first one, all the medians of an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle are equal. This we will verify by using the geometer sketchpad. Similarly, if you take an isosceles triangle, children, this is an isosceles triangle where only two sides are equal. For example, this, let me take 8 centimeters. So this PQR triangle, let us take. The triangle is named after PQR, where PQ and PR are equal, where QR you take different something 5 centimeters like that. So this is an isosceles triangle. To show this is an isosceles triangle, I have taken the lengths. Now if you draw the medians, for example, QR midpoint is X. Now you join PX. What is PX here? PX is the median. Similarly, PR midpoint exactly you take here. So the midpoint of PR you have taken as Y. If you join QY, it is one more median. Now the midpoint of PQ exactly, approximately I am taking here, that is nothing but Z. If you join P and Z, PZ is the median of PQ side. Now they are also congruent. Now if you observe the length of medians drawn to equal sides, you will find that they are also equal. Here PQ is equals to PR, median drawn to PQ, that is RZ, equals to median drawn to PR, that is QY. Here RZ and QY also they are equal. That means we can observe that the medians drawn to equal sides of an isosceles triangle, drawn to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. The medians drawn to equal sides, already PQ and PR they are equal. Now RZ and QY are the two medians drawn to equal side, they are also equal. And another point in isosceles triangle, whatever the median you draw to the base, it is perpendicular to the base. Exactly the angle between the median and the base you can find as 90 degrees. So here we can say that the median drawn to non-equal side of isosceles triangle, this non-equal side sometimes will take as base. Non-equal side, sometimes it is base also of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is perpendicular. What is the meaning of perpendicular? Making 90 degrees angle. Is perpendicular to it. That means the angle between the median as well as the side, the base, non-equal side is always 90 degrees. Not only that, it bisects also, children. Bisects means again QX and RX they will be equal. Fine. This is the isosceles triangle medians properties. This is the equilateral triangle median property. So what are the property of equilateral triangle's median? All the medians of an equilateral triangle, they are equal. They are equal. Whereas isosceles triangle, the two medians drawn to equal sides are equal, and the median which is drawn to base, it is perpendicular to the base. And fourth point is, if you observe any median of any side of any triangle, the median divides the centroid divides the median in 2:1 ratio. So let us write a fourth point. Centroid divides each median in 2:1 ratio. That means you will have the larger part 2 units, smaller part 1 unit. Larger part 2 units, smaller part 1 unit. Larger part 2 units, smaller part 1 unit. Okay, this ratio you can take either 2:1 or 1:2. Okay, because we are not specifying which is 1, which is 2. But the larger part you will have 2 units, whereas smaller part 1 unit. So this we can write here. Larger part 2 units, 2 parts. Smaller part is 1 part. Okay, so these are the 4 properties of medians and centroid of triangle.